gonna say? You chose to walk if what we had